What up, everyone? Today I'm fixing up this old engine. Well, I'm getting seeing if I can get it started before doing the restoration on it. I plan on doing a full restoration on it. It'll look get it all painted up. Might have to rebuild it because I do see a little bit of oil leaking around. So the oil rings is probably starting to leak. You know, old engines. So right now I'm dealing with the no spark situation. So I imagine it's the points are dirty. The points might even need replacing on this. But in this video, I'm gonna try cleaning them off. This engine right here was given to me by Larry. If y'all on the tractor forums, y'all probably know him, Larry BL. I also got a video of him with his roper he restored. I'll post a link down in the description. Also, in the description of that video, there's a link to his YouTube channel, so make sure y'all go check him out too. Anyway, let's get this took apart. Basically, just taking the cover off the engine, so I can get to the flywheel, the starter clutch, then the flywheel. Because for those that don't know, the points cover on these old Briggs engines are under the flywheel, in a cover, and that's where the points are on these. So I'll be in this video taking it all apart. I won't be talking about it in this video, but I do have a video on starter clutch replacement which talks about all of that, and I'll put that video down in the description of this video so y'all can go check that out. So I was wrong. The flywheel key's fine. So we're going to look. You can see about all the rust in here, right here. Most likely the points are rusted. So I'll go ahead, pull this cover, this points cover off right here. Anywhere y'all can actually see it, hopefully. And we'll go from there. wasn't bad on this. And it was set at where it should be at 20 thousandths. But go ahead, and when I get to the restoration of this, I will probably just go ahead and still replace the points anyway. And even the coil, it looks a little wore out, so I might replace it too. Go ahead and put a brand new one in there. Here we go. Looks on. Fuel issue now. I'm gonna pour a little stroke down in the carburetor mouth. He got her going. She runs. At least it's fired up once. It's carburetor issues now, but he got spark, and that's all that mattered in this video. So, thank everybody for watching. Soon I'll get to do the restoration on this, which means total rebuild on this. Clean it up, paint it up. all that. Build a new stand for it and mount it down to it. Anyway, thank y'all guys for watching.